For this DIY, I'm going to be making fishbowl crunchy slime. So you're gonna need a bowl and a spoon, some white beads to make it crunch, some baking soda, contact solution, I use Renew, some Crazy Art clear glue, a half a teaspoon measuring cup. For this DIY, I'm going to start off with pouring my clear glue into the bowl. Now I don't have a lot of beads, so I have to use less clear glue, but now I'm going to be taking the beads So I'm going to be taking a little bit of baking soda. Now, when I say I'm going to be taking these beads, I just meant I was going to open the pack and put them aside. But I'm going to be using a half a teaspoon of baking soda, maybe even a little bit less, because the more baking soda you put, the more putty-like and like non-stretchable it's going to get. So make sure you evenly spread the amount of baking soda all over the slime. So now I'm going to stir it all up. Now, when you make clear slime, it normally takes like, if you want crystal clear slime, it takes like 5 to 7 days, which is crazy. So I just went ahead with it because no one's going to wait a week for slime to clear up and then it gets foggy again in like 5 seconds. So now I'm going to stir the baking soda, and it's weird because it already started to clump up a little, which was weird, and I didn't get that, but whatever, just gonna keep going with it. Now I'm gonna be adding my blue food dye because I want this to look like fishbowl slime. I'm only gonna add a little bit though. And yeah, because I want it to look like water and everything. So stir that. I'm gonna add a little bit more because mine was a little sheer. Mix that. Then I'm going to be adding my Renew contact solution. If I were you, I'd add like a little bit at a time because you use less contact solution and it's just better, and it works so much better than having a gooey intestine kind of non-stickable slime. Keep adding your contact solution until it's all done and it clumps up and everything. Mine wasn't clumping up that much, but make sure to add your baking soda or it won't clump. So I'm just gonna stir it, and it's clumping together now, which I'm so happy about. And I only added like probably like a tablespoon of contact solution, which is so good, maybe even less. But now my slime is finished, but it's still sticky, but it's manageable, so I can knead it and, you know, all the good stuff. And now we're going to be adding our white beads. Now I'm just going to push them into the slime. Now that my fishbowl slime is done, I'm going to let you guys hear the crunchiness. Oh my god, this is probably one of my favorite slimes now. I might like the straw slime a little bit better, but yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment down below for the Q&A very soon. I'm taking last minute questions. By Thursday you have to have them all done. And I just wanted to say that my vlog channel, I had to get rid of it. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of my videos. I'm going to be uploading every Tuesday and Thursday every week. I'm sorry if I miss a few days or so, but yeah, I love you guys so much. Bye!